Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upgrade ChatGPT Plus and use GPT-4. Let's get started. ChatGPT Plus is paid tier of ChatGPT which gives you access to more advanced model like GPT-4, but now it has GPT-5. First, log into your ChatGPT account, then typically in the sidebar or at the top of your ChatGPT, click the upgrade to Plus or similar. Then you'll be asked for payment details, follow prompts to confirm and activate the Plus plan. The cost is usually $20 per month. After upgrading, return to ChatGPT. If it defaults to GPT 3.5, switch it manually. Now your chats will use GPT-4 capabilities. You might have usage limits or rate limits. Some users report that after subscribing, GPT-4 doesn't appear. This might be a bug or interface issue. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.